Opportunities don't always come to you. Sometimes you have to go out and create them. In today's professional world, networking and being proactive are just as important as your skills. As an athlete, you're used to showing up, putting in the effort, and staying committed. The same approach applies here. Networking is simply about building relationships. It's about connecting with people, learning from them, and opening doors to new opportunities. This can start with something simple: reaching out, having a conversation, asking questions, or showing interest in a specific field. You don't need a perfect plan to begin. Internships are another powerful way to gain experience. They give you the chance to learn, explore different roles, and understand what suits you best. Even short-term opportunities can help you build confidence and develop new skills. Mentorship is equally valuable. Learning from someone who has already walked the path can give you direction, clarity, and support when you need it most. Through Athletes AI Compass, you can explore opportunities, find guidance, and connect your goals with real next steps. The key is to stay open, stay curious, and take action. Because every connection you build and every step you take brings you closer to your next career opportunity.